So in this video, I will show you how you can screen record on your iPhone. If you don't know how to screen record on your iPhone, I can show you how easily you can do that. You can just scroll this down, and there's this red thing right here. That means that it's a screen recording. You can just tap this, and your phone will start to screen record itself. But if you don't have this option right there, you can easily go to Control Center and add this one right here. Wait, I'm just going to remove my screen recording from the control, so it's already gone. Now I'm going to add it back by clicking on this plus button, so the screen record is right there. And I'm just going to remove some other things so it's much more cleaner, and you can just easily tap this and the video will go straightly into your gallery. And be sure to turn this on, access with an app. So what this do is that you cannot access your control center. You cannot access your control center when you are using an application. So make sure that you do turn this on, that so you can access your control center when you are using an application. And this is how you can screen record. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.